Hey everyone, it's the Kamookster, and I know we're in a different place, but this is where all my college stuff is, and all the normal place that I'm shooting is going to change too because I'm going to college. So basically we're going to go through all the things that you need for college, and we're going to do it like super duper fast because I hate like clicking through videos and they have like a really long intro, and I'm just trying to figure out like what I need for college. So let's get to it. Okay, so number one, bulletproof vest. Number two, toiletries. You know, colleges, you might run out of toiletries and you might want to have some spare ones for yourself. So there you go, toiletries. Number two, your favorite softeners and detergents. Number three, some type of like hanger thing to like hang all your stuff on, you know what I'm saying? Like drawers in there, all sorts of things. Some type of fan because, you know, colleges get like really hot during the summer if they don't have good air conditioning. So yeah, you might want a fan or you'll end up like the Rutgers kids. Another one is portable workstation, completely unnecessary, but my mom got it for me, and you know, you could use it to put your laptop on if you're sitting down or laying on your bed and you need to work. Here's another one, I lost count already, but I'm sure you know. This is an extra long twin bed set. It has blankets, pillows, and most college beds are extra long twin beds. That's like pretty much standard, so you'll find them during back to school shopping season. Number seven, I checked the footage. A comforter, because you know, mattresses might be like really rough, so you might want a extra long comforter, yeah, to go along with your twin bed set. Number eight, gentlemen, bring condoms.
Andrew, you are not the father.
Ladies, come with a healthy dose of your own self-respect and dignity. Extra pillows. If you sleep with one pillow, you're a psychopath. Number nine, a broom. Clean your room. Number 10, an umbrella. These things are never around when you need them. Number 11, like shampoo and stuff like toothpaste, mouthwash, floss, conditioner, other things for your hair, Jamaican black castor oil, whatever you need, you know. Don't forget your towels, your extension cords, your deodorant, or your lubricant. Don't forget to bring like Advil and any vitamins you need. I suggest like magnesium, that's a pretty good one. Zinc, vitamin D, and like, I don't know, like probably the whole alphabet. I mean, you're not gonna not get sick because you're away from home, so. Don't forget to bring like a nice business casual change of clothes and an iron to iron it with. You should bring, if you have like thick hair or long hair, you should probably bring like this hair dryer or a hair dryer. And you know, for your hangers, you should bring the thing of hangers to hang your stuff with. And also this vacuum to vacuum your floors, unless you don't have like a carpet. Well, I mean, you can still vacuum regular floor. Don't forget to bring any other like essentials that you might have. I know some people have specific conditions that might force them to bring specific things like catered to them. So, you know, make sure you have those. I'd say a big thing that people forget is like to bring different types of shoes, like sandals, slippers, dress shoes. People just come with like a couple pairs of sneakers and think that they'll make it through the entire year. So yeah, make sure you grab some of those. And you might as well bring snacks and try to be disciplined. Don't eat them all in one day like I will. So, you know. Anyway, that was my super duper fast list of college stuff that I brought. I hope that you got what you needed, and you can go ahead and click off the video now, because the rest of this video is just going to be me searching through my shirts completely unedited. I'm just going to be putting some shirts in a pile that say plain shirts, and other shirts in the pile that say like shirts, cool shirts, like with the design or something. All right, different perspective. So basically, like I said, we're gonna be going through my shirts and seeing what is plain and what is coolly designed. I'm gonna be putting them in two different piles so that I know, like, if I want a plain shirt, I'll take a plain shirt. And if I want like a shirt with a cool design on it, I'll take a shirt with a cool design on it. So, yeah. I just realized, you're gonna also wanna, cause I'm seeing the coat in the background, you're gonna also want like a winter coat or something, like jackets and stuff. Like obviously you're gonna need clothes, but make sure you have clothes for any occasion, like tank tops for like when the summer comes and stuff like that. You know, practically showing off my whole wardrobe, you know. Some of these shirts I think are pretty cool. Like, look at this one. This one I found the other day at like Marshall's or something. I don't know. This episode is not going to get any more entertaining than this. Oh, look at Frog. I got this the other day too. I love Frog and Toad. I haven't seen the show yet, but like it looks cute. I like it. I think it looks cute. Frog and Toad are kind of sus though. I don't know what they're doing behind closed doors, but the Frog and Toad, they definitely got something going on. Okay, I don't know. Those two are a little too friendly, if you ask me. So it's mostly been just regular clothes. I mean, no, clothes that I will, entertaining clothes, like with cool designs, like this King shirt. I like this one. Don't forget to bring any weights you might have, or any water bottles. Bring your computer. Bring like light school supplies. Like you probably won't need much unless you're literally going to art school or something. So yeah, don't fail. Don't fail. I'd say this is, I mean, I feel like I consider certain shirts like this. Like this is a design, right? But it's not much on it, so I don't know whether to put it in like the not designed shirt or the design shirt. I will put it in the design shirt, like the shirts with stuff on them, rather than the plain ones. I'm gonna put the plain ones at the bottom because I actually don't want to wear the plain ones. I know this one is just green, so I'm gonna go get more. Burning like a candlelight, and it's dangerous. I love this. Burning like a candlelight. I accidentally bleached this shirt, I'm pretty sure, like somewhere on it. And I loved it so much. I mean, I'm gonna still pack it, but like I don't know where the bleach is. I remember I tried to fill it in with marker, and you probably wouldn't be able to see it from far away, but you know, I still want to make sure that I'm not looking like an idiot in the middle of school. This is just blue. Yeah, I love this. I love this. I love this. I'm not sure when I'm gonna have to wear this blue shirt. I mean, maybe there'll be like a blue contest or something. I can't show that. This isn't even really a shirt. I don't think I want to bring this actually. And it looks cool sometimes, but here I'll put it aside. It's just that like I don't like the hood on it. This I'm not bringing. I will not be bringing this. This thing, I used to think it looked really cool, but I feel like it looks kind of, I don't know. It's off. It's just off. I don't like it so much. I think my style has definitely changed a little bit. I'm not exactly wearing left my game to be here stuff. Like this is some left my game to be here stuff right here. Crushing it. Maybe I'll keep it just for like when Christmas comes around. Could be funny to wear. This is a Guns N' Roses shirt. I don't feel like opening it. This shirt is ugly. Here, let me. Like, burning like a candlelight. Oh, and it has a stain. Yeah, I remember that. I think this is permanent stain. Yeah. Who's not entertained by my pain? Who ain't cash a check off my name? When my campaign turned to campaign, I burned 8 billion to take off my chains. Burn, baby, burn. Sometimes it hurts, I guess I never learned. To who it may concern, the CEO of the firm is not something, a big worm. A couple wrong turns will fry you forever, it's a permanent burn. You're charging for cookie, that's bang for your buck. If you kissing on your mouth, you ain't charging enough. You heard I was flying them out, they was trying for clout, I was dying to gap. Man, the world gone bad. Heard Bill Cosby in... Oh. Heard R. Kelly in this Balenciaga ad. Burn. Your love is dangerous. Love is... Ooh, this is a nice one. Like a candlelight. I don't think I folded these too well. I'm thinking. Yeah, this is one of those I left my game to be here. And I'm all for it. Hope this is long enough for YouTube to monetize. I think it's got to be at least 8 minutes, but I like an even 10, usually 12. I mean, it's like, obviously I'm not going to shoot for that content. Like, if like, I don't want the video to seem dry. I mean, this one's going to have to seem dry because it was too much effort to like all the editing and getting downstairs and taking out all my crap for college and listing it out to you to not be making any money off of it. So, yeah. Body like the Wild Wild West. Oh yeah. I think I listed to bring your computer, right? You should bring your computer. Bring your weights. Bring your weights. Yeah. It's a 25. I lift like a lot, but I'm still skinny. I don't know why. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that back down. Yeah. Bring a book bag, some tape, probably. Bring your wizard costume, your Magic the Gathering cards, and all right, done.
Romans chapter 1 verse 17. For in the gospel the righteousness of God is revealed, a righteousness that is by faith from first to last, just as it is written, the righteousness will live by faith.